You'll likely only need to buy windows and doors once or twice in your lifetime, and the materials you choose will make the difference in how long your investment will last. While selecting windows and doors may not be as fun as showing off your new paint colors and wall art, it's an important decision that'll have a large and lasting impact on the comfort, appearance, function, and efficiency of your home. We'll show you the benefits of extruded aluminum and fiberglass to help you choose what's best for your lifestyle and your home. Most of the country lives in extreme conditions, whether heat and cold or coastal environments. You need to know your windows and doors won't warp in heat, crack in cold, or change shape as temperatures fluctuate. Choosing high-quality materials that aren't affected by temperature swings or extremes ensures your windows and doors will last longer and function better. Aluminum-clad windows and doors can be manufactured in either extruded or roll-form aluminum, but all aluminum isn't created equal. The difference in their thickness is approximately the difference between a quarter and a pop can. Which would you rather have standing between you and the elements? Marvin's Windows and Doors meet AMA 2605, the American Architectural Manufacturers Association's highest standard for extruded aluminum coatings. With Marvin's commercial quality, thick paint finish, your colors will stay deep and rich for decades. Integrity's Ultrex fiberglass is tough, smart, and worry-free. It's 8 times stronger than vinyl and 3 times stronger than vinyl wood composites like Fibrex. A stronger material means narrower frames and bigger glass for unobstructed views you'll relish. Highly durable Ultrex windows and doors are resistant to leaks, corroding, and rot, so they'll perform better and last longer. Ultrex is the first and only fiberglass finish to meet AMA's 624-10 specifications. The acrylic, mechanically bonded finish provides a more durable, smoother appearance. Not only is the finish 3 times thicker than paint, but it's also available in rich, dark colors that resist fading. Because Ultrex expands and contracts at virtually the same rate as glass, products stay true and tight and resistant to leaks, seal failures, and stress cracks that can compromise energy efficiency and long-term performance. Ultrex windows and doors open and close on demand, regardless of the season, without sticking and binding from swelling, warping, material distortion, or deformation from heat. Integrity's Ultrex windows and doors come with interior options. Choose wood Ultrex to combine a real wood interior with an Ultrex fiberglass exterior, or all Ultrex for Ultrex fiberglass inside and out. Investing in new windows and doors can feel daunting, but choosing quality materials means you'll enjoy comfort, durability, and beauty for many years to come. Talk with your local independent window and door expert to decide which of Marvin's superior quality materials is the best fit for your home and lifestyle.